Hello and welcome back. You're watching NewsX with me, Malvika. We're taking a look at some breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Modi will be launching the National Natural Farming Mission at the Indian Council of Agricultural Research Campus in Pusa, New Delhi. The initiative aims to revolutionize Indian agriculture by promoting sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices while reducing input costs for farmers and enhancing soil health. My colleague Arzu Seth joining us on the broadcast. Arzu, we're learning that the Prime Minister is all set to inaugurate the National Natural Farming Mission. Take us through the details of this mission and what can be expected out of it.
Well, definitely it's going to be a very important inauguration as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the National Natural Farming Mission NNFM on today itself at the Indian Council of Agriculture Research Campus in New Delhi, and this is a much awaited initiative aims to revolutionize Indian agriculture by promoting sustainable and eco-friendly farming practices while reducing the input cost for farmers and enhancing the soil health. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has confirmed the launch during the press briefing on Thursday following a high-level video conferencing with the state agriculture ministers and Prime Minister to launch it today itself, and it's going to be underlining the centre's commitment to environmentally responsible agriculture development. The launch is a part of the broader national strategy aimed at positioning India as a global leader in sustainable agriculture. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research, in coordination with the state government, had been making extensive preparation for the launch, and the goal is not to scale up the natural farming practices nationwide, but also to make a meaningful contribution to the global efforts to protect the environment and combat climate change. So definitely, this is going to be a crucial launch as far as the agriculture sector is concerned. The national mission on natural farming was approved by the Union Cabinet on November 25th, 2024 and is being implemented as a standalone centrally sponsored scheme up to the end of 15th Finance Commission cycle, means 2025 to 2026, and the mission focuses on scientifically backed approaches to natural farming that improves soil fertility, reduce dependency on chemical inputs and enhance the overall climate resilience of agriculture. Yes, Malvika.
Thank you, Arzu.